In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image with a transparent background in Photoshop CS6 or any other version you might be using. Whether you're new to Photoshop or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that your images are saved with that perfect transparent background you need. First things first, open Adobe Photoshop. You want to ensure that the software is up and running before you begin any project. Once you have Photoshop open, load the picture you want to work with. It's crucial that your image is properly prepared and ready to be edited. Having your image open means you can start the process of making the background transparent. The next step is to make a selection of your background. Photoshop offers a variety of tools to help with this, such as the Magic Wand tool, the Lasso tool, or the Quick Selection tool. Each of these tools has its own strengths, so choose the one you're most comfortable with for selecting the parts of the background that need to be removed. Take your time to carefully select the background to ensure precision, as any leftover bits could affect the final transparency. After you've made your selection, it's time to erase or delete the background. This step involves removing the area you've selected to create transparency. Press the delete key on your keyboard or navigate to the eraser tool if you prefer to have more manual control in removing the image parts. Once this is done, you should be left with the primary subject of your image isolated on a checkerboard background, which indicates transparency. Now that your image has a transparent background, it's time to save it properly. Go to the File menu at the top, then click on Save As. In the dialog box that appears, select PNG as your file format. It's important here to choose PNG because this format supports transparency. Double check that you're saving in the correct format, as other formats like JPEG won't preserve the transparency of the background. Give your file a name that makes it easy to find later, and choose a save location. Once you click Save, a final dialog might appear concerning PNG options. Keep the default settings and click OK. Your image is now saved with a transparent background, ready to be used wherever you need it. And that's it. Saving images with a transparent background in Photoshop is a simple process once you know the steps. By following these instructions, you can ensure your images look professional and meet your project's needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.